My name is Josh Walter, co-founder of Nexus Water. We are building the future of refi. Imagine wasting 1/3 of your water and energy every month just simply because there's no incentive to save water or energy other than just spending a little bit less on your water and energy bill. Imagine turning those into value, generating value for every watt you save and every liter you save. So what Nexus does is turn that conservation into microcarbon credits. We can then take those microcarbon credits, retire them, transfer them, or burn them to save the planet. So I have 15 years in the water industry. I've specifically been working with atmospheric water generators and gray water recycling. So hardware is my background, and now I'm bringing that hardware onto the blockchain through the Nexus software. And my partner, Andy Spencer, he has also been in the XRPL building for the last 5 years, and he is a tremendous leading expert building on the XRPL. Thank you for your time and attention. If you'd like to hear more, please reach out. Thank you.